The French Armed Forces officially confirmed the delivery of the first two H225M Caracal helicopters to French Guiana, marking a pivotal moment in the modernization of rotary-wing capabilities in the South American territory. The aircraft, delivered in the latest APOLA configuration, arrived at Air Base 367, Capitaine François Masse, in Cayenne on August 11. These helicopters are set to gradually replace the aging SA330 Puma fleet operated by Transport Squadron 68, with two more Caracals expected to join the unit by early 2026, completing the initial phase of a broader modernization program aimed at enhancing operational readiness and mission versatility. The H225M Caracal represents a significant leap forward in helicopter technology. Designed as a multi-role, 11-ton class platform, it is powered by two Safran Makila 2A1 turboshaft engines, each generating 2,382 shop. This allows the aircraft to cruise at speeds of approximately 260 km per hour and achieve a maximum range of roughly 850 km when equipped with auxiliary fuel tanks. The APOLA variant integrates a host of advanced systems, including Thales avionics, a 4-axis automatic flight control system, an Euroflare 410 optronic turret with high-definition day/night imaging and laser rangefinding, satellite communications, dual electric rescue hoists, and a reinforced cargo hook capable of lifting up to 4,750 kilograms. The aircraft's defensive suite provides missile warning receivers, chaff and flare dispensers, and infrared suppression for the engines, enhancing survivability in hostile environments. These capabilities make the Caracal uniquely suited for operations in French Guiana's challenging equatorial conditions, where high humidity, extreme heat, and dense jungle terrain frequently test both man and machine. In comparison, the SA330 Puma, which has served in French Guiana since the late 1960s, is considerably less capable. Its Turbomeca Turmo IIIC-4 engines produce approximately 1,575 shop each, limiting both payload and hot and high performance. The Puma's avionics are outdated and lack modern terrain-following systems, integrated sensors, and digital navigation. Its maximum range of around 580 km constrains operational flexibility, and the fleet's defensive capabilities are minimal. Additionally, maintenance of the Puma had become a serious operational bottleneck, requiring up to 18 hours of work per flight hour and resulting in an availability rate below 50%. The Caracal addresses these limitations, offering greater endurance, higher payload, modern sensor integration, and streamlined maintenance, significantly increasing mission readiness and operational effectiveness. French Guiana presents a uniquely demanding operational environment. Missions conducted by the French Armed Forces include border surveillance with Brazil and Suriname, anti-illegal gold mining operations under Operation Harpy, protection of the Guiana Space Center during Ariane rocket launches, maritime patrol along the Atlantic coast, law enforcement support, and humanitarian assistance in the event of natural disasters. The Caracal's advanced capabilities allow for rapid insertion of fully equipped infantry units deep into the jungle, quick extraction of wounded personnel, deployment of special forces for counter-illegal mining missions, and provision of aerial fire support when needed. Its long-range endurance and satellite communications systems enable extended maritime patrols and secure real-time coordination with command centers during complex joint operations. The modernization of French Guiana's helicopter fleet is part of a larger effort under France's National Aerospace Support Program. The order for 8 H225M Caracals was placed with Airbus Helicopters in 2020, with the first aircraft delivered to the French Air and Space Force in January 2025. Following delivery, the helicopters underwent operational evaluation and crew training at CAM Mont-de-Marsan before deployment to overseas theaters. The first overseas assignment occurred in June 2025, when a Caracal reinforced Transport Squadron 88 in Djibouti, providing operational feedback that informed procedures for deployment in tropical environments like French Guiana. The arrival of the Caracal fleet marks the end of an era for the SA330 Puma in French Guiana. The transition to modern rotary-wing platforms brings substantial improvements in mission adaptability, operational range, and troop mobility. For instance, a single Caracal can transport an entire infantry section deep into remote jungle locations without requiring refueling or multiple lifts, whereas the Puma's limited payload necessitated multiple trips. Similarly, the Caracal's advanced sensors and satellite communication systems provide unparalleled situational awareness, allowing commanders to monitor operations in real time and coordinate complex missions with both land and maritime forces. Beyond troop transport, the Caracal's versatility extends to medical evacuation, search and rescue, and humanitarian operations. Its dual electric rescue hoists and reinforced cargo hook make it capable of lifting heavy loads, including vehicles and large medical supplies, directly from areas inaccessible to ground vehicles. In addition, its all-weather capability ensures that operations can continue even during the heavy rainfall and dense fog that frequently occur in French Guiana's tropical climate. The Caracal's self-protection systems enhance survivability in potentially hostile scenarios, a capability that was largely absent in the Puma fleet. Integrated missile warning receivers, chaff and flare dispensers, and infrared suppression significantly reduce vulnerability during high-risk operations, whether in combat, anti-mining, or counter-terrorism missions. This allows French forces to operate more confidently and effectively in environments that demand both precision and resilience. Looking ahead, the full complement of 8 Caracals will strengthen French Guiana's operational readiness and expand the scope of missions that can be conducted in the territory. These helicopters are expected to play a critical role in border security, anti-illegal mining campaigns, space center protection, maritime surveillance, and humanitarian operations. Their introduction represents a decisive step forward in the French armed forces' ability to project power and provide rapid response across the vast and challenging terrain of French Guiana. In conclusion, the deployment of H225M Caracal helicopters in French Guiana signifies a major advancement in the region's military aviation capabilities. Replacing the venerable Puma fleet, the Caracals provide a modern, multi-role platform capable of handling diverse missions under demanding conditions. With superior lift capacity, endurance, sensors, communication systems, and self-protection features, these helicopters ensure that French forces in South America are better equipped than ever to meet operational challenges, safeguard territorial integrity, and support humanitarian efforts when needed. This modernization underscores France's commitment to maintaining a robust and versatile military presence in its overseas territories, combining advanced technology with strategic operational capability.